Hi guys, this is Corey from Sportsland. I'm in Mill Creek. We have two other locations, one in south or west Salt Lake City and Spanish Fork. If you want to come see us down here, I'll be down at the Mill Creek one. Today we're doing a 2023 MPG 2500 VH. First we can talk about the outdoor kitchen here. You got yourself a fridge. It's all run off of 110. You got yourself a nice little platform for preparing with a griddle out here. You can do all your bacon, eggs, whatever you want to do out here. Hamburgers, makes things a lot handier. Got a nice awning out here to cover everything, keep things convenient for you for the rain or shade. You got a nice huge LED lit light bar on this, outdoor speakers. You got your privacy for your tint on your windows, which makes it a little cooler inside, but also the privacy. You got your mag wheels on the trailer. You have 4 stabilizer bars on this. They're all electric. They all are controlled off of this will control the 2 rear. You also have a dog leash here holder, pet friendly. You've got a grab handle here that's very convenient to get in and out. A lot easier to grab and walk up and down the steps. The solid steps make things a lot easier. Plus they adjust for the lay of the land, just in case you have off-camber land there. There again, you got a little bit of a sprung hinge on this to keep things from swinging. They're about 20 mile an hour wind area that'll hold it for you. Electric awning again. Huge storage door. It's a pass-through storage. It's got magnetic clips on it. You got a slam latch there. Makes things a lot easier to unlatch and lock. You've got all finished off in here with lights. You've got your solar in here, which is a 190 watt panel on the roof. That's the charge panel right there. Here's your button for the front stabilizer jacks. Does have the LED bars up front to light everything up. Like people think that's where your trailer's at, they know it. You got 2 5-gallon propane tanks in here. Space for 2 batteries up on the front in the trays area. Comes with also disconnect for the batteries right here. The red button there. Electric jack here for the tongue. Easy on and off for your truck. Does come with a light for backing up. Here's the other side of the pass-through storage. Lots of room in there to put stuff. Come around to the other side here. You've got your power cord hookups here. You've got your wash down right here. That's going to be your city water. That's going to be your black tank flush right there. So that's going to wash out all the sewer line and everything like that. This has also got some cable hookups, satellite hookups right there, so you can hook up and watch TV inside. It's got your Lippert ladder hookup right here. It's got some accessories that you can get to get up onto the roof if needed. You can get the ladders and our parts. Also, you do have a hookup for your backup cameras. There's your spare tire. 6-gallon water heater that's going to be gas electric. Let's go inside and take a look. Alright guys, you got 2 bunks in the back here. They're double over double bunks, so they're a little wider so you can fit in them. They're 275 pounds a piece on them. Drawers underneath here to put some bags. A little storage in here if needed. More storage in here for pantry, chips, soups, whatever you want to put in there. Another one down below here. Got a lot of storage. You've got a Furrion stovetop. Actually, it's a it's a Sunbeam, and it'll do. You got 3 burners on top. You got a air fryer in here now, so it's all air fried. You got lights on it, so it's lit up. You got a microwave up here. More storage up here for dishes, pots, pans, things like that. Little farm sink. Wash your dishes. put stuff in. Tons of counter space. Got more storage down here. You got more storage in here for your silverware, everything there. Got a nice U-shaped dinette in here that goes into a bed. Sleep one adult to 2 kids comfortably. Your 6 cubic foot fridge over here is going to be electric and gas. There's your thermostat for your air conditioning and your heat. Nice large bathroom in here. Gives you a good shower. I'm 6 foot. You can fit in here just nicely, guys. No problems. Nice big area in here to finish up. Got a little medicine cabinet in here with more towels you can put. Let's come out in the your entertainment centers here. It's going to have a Bluetooth stereo for the TV. That'll hook up to that. You got drawers in here for whatnot. More storage for whatever you need. 2 doors in and out of the bedroom. It's got a nice king size bed in here. You've got closet space on either side. You've got windows on both sides for cross breeze. It is a sliding king bed, so you can put your sheets on and off here. Your storage is down here underneath the middle area instead of lifting the bed up. You've got a little shelf here for cell phones, whatever you need. You can put your CPAP machines on the sides. More storage up there. If anybody has any questions, please call or come on down and see me at Sportsland in Mill Creek. My name's Corey.